Hi everyone. Today we're gonna see how we gonna create new virtual environment with no errors. The problem we as a developer face are a person who is new into a machine learning who always have a problem in having particular version of libraries for project. He may get good result or proper result in one project. He may get error of TensorFlow and Keras, maybe PyTorch like that in some other project when you work on the base environment. That's why we always prefer to have virtual environment for different type of projects separately. Now we're gonna see how we can make that. Actually, what is virtual environment? Virtual environment is just like a box where you will install particular version of libraries that is needed for that particular project. Whenever you want to work on that particular project, you will redirect or activate that environment. It means you go into that box and you work on that project and come out of it and go for another project. Why this we need to do? Because of the problem we face due to versions, different versions, maybe TensorFlow, maybe three. For example, if I take TensorFlow, you may get good result in using TensorFlow 3.6 in one condition. You may get error, maybe Keras also like that only, maybe NumPy like that. For every library you can't get a result in all conditions. So virtual environment is must needed for all the people who try to work on machine learning projects. So today what we can do is I will tell you how you can install virtual environment both on Windows and also Ubuntu. I will show in my system using Ubuntu. You can try it on Windows. I will tell you how you can do it. First, you need to install Anaconda. For that, you need to go for, if you have Anaconda, if you have Windows system, you can install it for Windows. If you have a Linux system, you can go and install it for Linux. It supports for all type of OS. So after you download and install that, now if you are from Windows, you will be having Anaconda prompt. If you are Linux, you can open normal CMD. If you are using Windows, you will have Anaconda prompt. You can search in Windows, search bar in Windows, you will get Anaconda prompt. Just like a normal command prompt, you will get Anaconda prompt. There you should run the commands which you are looking at here. Okay, one by one. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, we'll go with first command. Here, what I am doing, I am creating a new virtual environment. You can give give the particular name. In condition, I will give. Class of virtual environment, that is class underscore v what I am giving. You can give any name, and also you can specify Python version here. You are free to give Python version 3.6, 3.8. You can give any particular version. When I do that, it will create a environment for that name. Say yes, type Y and enter. Then activate that environment. Activate that environment. Now you are under class underscore v environment. whatever you do, whatever the libraries you install will always be there in this particular environment. It will not disturb your main environment, base environment, what we call. Now go for after activation you need to install IPython kernel. Install IPy kernel. Carefully follow these steps. This will help you a lot. If you follow other ways you may install and work, but they will give a lot more errors. This is the best way that I always go with to reduce the errors. Now you can see in this line what we are doing is actually when you open Jupyter Notebook there will be option called kernel. There you can change this virtual environment. But if you don't run this line you will not get the name to select there. You may install virtual environment. If you don't run this line you will not get any option there. So you need to be very careful. Now it's done. I installed Jupyter Notebook. I and enter. Now you can see Jupyter Notebook is open. If I want to create any new file, I will get that here, class underscore VE. You can see here, no? When I click new, I will get class underscore VE. That means I am now into the particular virtual environment class underscore VE. Here we didn't install any libraries. That's why we will get some errors. For example, import pandas as PD. You'll get error because you didn't install. To install that, what you can do, you can open in Linux case, open your normal command. In Windows case, open Anaconda prompt and just do Conda activate the environment you gave class underscore V. Now here do the installation of libraries. Pip install pandas. Yes, now it's installed. You can see that if I run it again, you will get no error. It means you are able to install the pandas properly into the class underscore ve virtual environment. That is the virtual environment you created now. You can install any libraries there and you can work with that. Thank you very much for your time. Actually, in further classes, I will be taking like these concepts where there is more possibility of errors and problems for people who are working on ML and data science. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and click on the bell button. If you like this video, click on the like button. Thank you very much.